Wow, what a beautiful weather it is. On a rainy day like this, nothing better than hot pakoras or bhajiyas. But today we will not make it in a traditional way. We will make it in a air fryer. So here I have taken a handful amount of cabbage, mixed bell peppers, a raw banana. You can take any veggies of your choice. Then add 3/4 cup of besan, which is gram flour, and 1/3 cup of rice flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of ajwain, which is carom seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of hing, which is asifatida, and salt as per your taste. One-4 teaspoon of haldi powder, and the very important ingredient is half a teaspoon of chaat masala, and then add 3 teaspoons of oil. Now mix it all together so that our flour mixture coats the veggies very well. And then add a little by little water and mix it. Your batter should be looking like this. Now cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. As I forget to add the red chili powder before, you can add the red chili powder as per your family's spice level. So, because of salt, all the vegetables has released the water and the batter has become more moist. Now, turn on the air fryer and preheat it for 3 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Now simply just spray the oil in the air fryer pan and start putting the pakoda or the bhajiya mixture. Also keep it in a smaller size to make it crispier. Now set the air fryer for 10 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Now after the 10 minutes, open the air fryer and check the bhajiya or the pakoda. And flip it to the another side. And again put it for the 3 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Now let's see after 3 minutes how our bhajiya or pakoda turned out. Voila! There you have it, almost a no oil air fried pakoda or bhajiya ready to serve. This will taste almost like a fried pakoda, although there will be a little bit difference for the picky taste eaters, but you can serve it with all your favorite condiments like green chutney, ketchup. Enjoy!